Welcome to Everglades Classroom here at Grassy Waters Preserve. I'm your host, Miss Mary, and today I'm very excited because we have some wildlife visitors. Specifically, I want to talk to you about their habitat, or where they live, and that's where they get everything they need to survive: food, water, shelter, space, and air. We're going to turn it over to Miss Ashley because she brought the visitors from Treasure Coast Wildlife Center, and she's going to tell us more, starting with the alligator.
Thanks, Mary. Welcome to the marsh, guys. So we're going to cover American alligators today, and here I have Irma with me to help you guys out. So in the marsh, alligators will find everything they need to survive. So they'll find their food, water, and shelter. Now, these guys are carnivorous, and they will eat something as small as a fish to as big as a white-tailed deer, of course, when he's full grown. Now, these guys have about 80 teeth in their mouth, and they will have about 80 teeth in their mouth their entire life, and they'll shed those teeth and regrow them. Right? See if I could open his mouth a little bit. There we go. See a little bit of his teeth there. And now I'm going to show you guys a little bit of his body too. So we're going to look at those lovely scales that he has. You going to call for Mom? Yeah. He's calling for Mom right now. This is the sound that baby gators make. Now, I want you guys to take a look at that tail as he's wiggling it, because this tail has all the power in it. This is how he's going to be moving through the marsh. This is his motor. And he's going to use his webbed feet to also help him out. Now, in order to see our next animal, we actually have to travel to the swamp, so I'll meet you guys there. Hey guys, welcome to the cypress swamp. So I want to introduce you guys my friend here. Her name is Leela, and she is a barred owl. So her shelter would actually be in the cypress swamps, but mainly up in the cypress trees. So she would actually have two special adaptations. One of them would be silent flight. So see, she'll flap her wings for us. So silent flight is actually to help her get her prey and her prey not hear her coming. And then another thing is, look at those big eyes. She has big eyes, and that helps her see her prey better at night because she's actually taking a lot of the light in, and it's easier for her to see her prey. Now, if we were to have eyes the size of owls, they would actually be the size of a tennis ball. So, this big. Can you imagine that? Now, I'm going to put Miss Leela here away, and then I have a special guest. She is a baby opossum. Alrighty guys, I want you to meet my sleeping friend, Miss Minnie here. She is an opossum, and the opossums could be found in the swamp and in the hammock habitats. Now, opossums are marsupials, which means mom will carry her babies until they're ready to be exploring on their own. Now, the cool thing that I find interesting about opossums is that they eat ticks, which is super important because ticks bring in diseases like Lyme disease. So it's important to have opossums around and keep them protected. Now, you guys may have noticed that our barred owl and our opossum here are missing eyes. Now, these guys are from Treasure Coast Wildlife, and they are animal ambassadors for their species. So they will not be released back into the wild, and they will help educate the public and anyone who comes to visit them, and even you guys. Yes. So Miss Minnie here is sleeping because she's nocturnal, but nocturnal means that she's going to be active at nighttime and asleep in the daytime, which is exactly what she's doing right now. Oh goodness. So thanks for exploring the swamp and the marsh with me with my animal friends from Treasure Coast Wildlife. We're going to send it back to Miss Mary.
Thanks, Ashley, for sharing some of Treasure Coast's animal ambassadors with us. Now that you've learned more about the Everglades animals, we challenge you to create your own. Submit your drawings to earn your Everglades Animals badge. Until next time, thank you for exploring the Everglades with us.